Hello and welcome to our channel again. Today we have this Hyundai Tucson NX4 1.6 T-GDi HEV 2024. So as you can see, it's a lovely clean car. It's 2024 and today we are going to check the air fuel ratio sensor or oxygen sensor or O2 sensor live data. So to check that live data, we are going to put the vehicle on maintenance mode. Hyundai Tucson hybrid. Okay, when you enter the vehicle, so the ignition is off. So you just press the ignition button twice until the ignition turns on. Then without pressing the brake or clutch pedal, you need to press the accelerator pedal twice. 1, 2. Then you need to hold the clutch pedal down and move the gear selector to N. As you can see, it's NN. Then you need to press the accelerator pedal twice again. Then hold the clutch pedal down and move this back to P. So then press the accelerator pedal twice again and hold the clutch pedal down. While holding the clutch pedal down, you just press this button. As you can see, the engine has started and that ready sign is blinking, and the vehicle or the engine will not be turned off for as long as you want the investigation to continue. So now I'm going to continue my investigation. So that was how to put Hyundai Tucson NX4 HEV 1.6 2024 and 5 in maintenance mode. With the maintenance mode, you can keep the vehicle RPM at whatever speed you want. Why this is too late? Okay, this is the engine speed. Currently I have put the vehicle on or at, so let me remove this. Okay, to take the vehicle out of maintenance mode, just simply push the stop button, this one. Now the vehicle is out of maintenance mode.